Another event that's happening this week, the OnePlus 8T event. Of course, we're going to have an unboxing video of the OnePlus 8T immediately right at the moment of the event. But apparently, we got this new rumor here that alongside the OnePlus 8T, there's also going to be a special edition OnePlus Nord, which, of course, maybe you don't remember at this point, Will. That's their budget offering. That's their budget model.
Yeah, very popular.
Very popular. And it kind of gathered steam and gained attention, partially because of its vibrant color, this whatever teal cyan type of thing. There's a few terms people like to use.
Okay.
Is it blue? Is it green? Is it light blue? Is it
glacier?
What's that?
Isn't it
Glacier blue
or something?
I mean, we've heard it all.
Yes.
So the naming, whatever. It's neither here nor there. In fact, on that TV right there, it looks blue and it looks more green on my monitor. So you never know with this stuff. Anyway, so apparently this new OnePlus Nord is going to be the same as the current version, other than the finish and color, which would be special edition or limited edition. And this is all coming via a preview post on OnePlus Nord's Instagram page. And you can see that texture there. It looks like an imprint of a OnePlus device. And this is a material, presumably, I'm guessing, I'm projecting right now, I'm Ming-Chi Kuoing it with a lot less effort because I'm just looking at an Instagram post.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't have to call up anybody with information close to the matter. Although maybe I could do that too. He's like, OnePlus? What's OnePlus?
Yeah.
I mean, can't I just call up OnePlus? I don't. Anyway, it's more fun this way. So this is the Instagram preview, and it looks exactly like their old material they used to use in early OnePlus, the sandstone. And then now they use it mostly only in cases. But you had the early devices which had this finish on the back. And so this is like a gritty texture. It's like a really grippy type of texture. And if you read the caption on the OnePlus preview post, they say, inspiration for beautiful design can be seen everywhere. Okay, for one. And then in the follow-up post, they say, this time around, it wasn't marbles or rare gemstones that lit our fire. It turns out particles from any everyday rock can be equally beautiful. And then they got these rocks, CG-looking rocks on top of what looks like sandstone. So sandstone, stone, regular rocks, regular stuff. It's not even all that cryptic. It's pretty straightforward to figure out, as far as I can tell.
Yeah.
But so anyway, we expect to see this special edition. Price, maybe it'll remain the same. I don't know. It's all happening October the 14th at the OnePlus event, which you and I may or may not be live streaming if people are interested in joining and participating. We'll see if we can work that out.